Yeah, man. Save. Paga. Lord gosh. Jelly man, right to the man. But I think it was a lady that carried. What am I tell you? Come back, so I forgot. Jelly man say, yo, I'm pretty, even chicks was a lady.
Right. Peace, everything good. I'm done my career right now. I'm going back in that bus guy live. You see me? And there right now, my brother, you know, because I grandson go and knew the earlier school I go. And he used to come there and dash water for me all the time. And right, Bob? I said, go.
So, me I go tell you something. When you see a car come with a learner, you see mark on the car.
L.
And what is the meaning of L? A lunatic.
Lunatic.
So when you see a lunatic coming,
like me, right?
no, you is not L.A. Lewis. I'm talking about L.A. Lewis. The dread.
What L.A. am I brother, you know? You see, if I had this L.A., you know, a different thing, because I'm a brother, you know. And I'm here to take care of any time. Him gone low. Alright, now on water now you get pipe, chill now feeling no problem. Because L.A. Lewis is a walking bathroom. Oh Lord, people.
L.A. Lewis make toilet paper stop sell a shop. He make rag and soap stop sell. Because as a girl, he fly around the back and use up his tongue like chirp and do that. Hear me now?
No, people. L.A., I'm a brother.
Yeah, when
but
you see
just
fire,
done that, he done me already, you know.
don't jump in a fire, L.A.
Yeah, I'm right now, I stay out there, because I see it, you know. Around so. Out. Back to the world.
Yeah, because any man go take up chin after Gully Bop, he have no ambition. Oh my God.
God.
And then remember me look over there, man, and chin take them. So any man who pick up chin right now, oh you too. Because right now I get at him, I don't want to back in.